To a small saucepan, add 130 grams of milk, 50 grams of water, 60 grams of sugar, and 5 tablespoons of butter. Heat the mixture over medium-low heat until it reaches 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Immediately remove from heat and stir to fully dissolve the sugar and continue melting the butter. To the bowl of a stand mixer, add 435 grams of flour, 10 grams of salt, and your milk mixture. Stir to slightly cool the milk mixture before incorporating 1 whole egg and your active starter. Transfer to your stand mixer and knead on a low speed, speed 2 on a KitchenAid, for 8 to 10 minutes. The dough should stick to the bottom of the bowl but not the sides. I had to add a couple extra tablespoons of flour to this batch to get it to the right consistency. Using wet or oiled hands, shape the dough into a round. Set aside to proof for 4 to 8 hours. Until doubled. Turn your dough out onto a clean counter and divide into 10 equal pieces. Depending on the weight of your final dough, your pieces will be between 95 and 105 grams in weight. You can use a 9x13 baking sheet lined with a non-stick mat for this recipe. Place the hot dog buns in a straight line across the sheet for their final proof and bake. I will be using my hot dog bun pan sprayed with cooking oil for this step. Work the dough with oiled hands if things are a bit too sticky. Tuck all the ends under the dough to form a round. Pinch the seams closed, then gently smooth out the round before rolling back and forth to elongate the bun. Stretch if needed. Repeat this process for the remaining 9 hot dog buns. Proof 1 to 3 more hours until the dough is noticeably bigger and springs back slowly when poked. Make an egg wash by mixing 1 egg yolk with 1 tablespoon of water. You can skip this step if you prefer a pale bun. Brush the wash all over the buns to give them a nice golden color. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes until the internal temperature is at least 185 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you have it, a quick and simple sourdough hot dog bun. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.